Hey everybody, it's the Honey Badger, and today we're going to be doing some work on a Volvo that has a squealing engine. It sounds like it's from belt, but it's actually not. It's a vacuum leak from a diaphragm. So we're going to get that replaced today. Here's a clip of what it sounds like if you're having the same issue. You may also be experiencing hanging revs or revs that continue to build and go up as you're sitting in park, or if you're in just kind of drive sitting at a stoplight, you'll notice that it'll want to continue to climb and kind of pull the car forward. It's because it's not regulating the vacuum correctly and it's trying to accelerate. So we're going to fix that today. It's pretty simple, so let's jump into it. So the first thing we need to do is remove the cover to the engine. Luckily it's pretty simple. You just loosen these T40 Torx and it should just pop off. So the part in question is this right here. It's actually going to get the whole thing replaced today. It's going to be a direct replacement. We'll obviously swap the cap. The breather on it, or actually the diaphragm's underneath here, and it's got a tear in it. Let's go ahead and pull that off. I'll show you the tear in it that's causing part of the problem. So here's the diaphragm, and here is the tear in it at the top. That tear is what's causing our problems and getting a vacuum to be our issue. So this moves up and down, this wears out over time. I'll leave you a link in the description to the replacement part, but this is just the one section of it that pops off. Unfortunately, you can't find just this diaphragm, it's the whole unit. So like I said, link in the description, but this is part of our problem. If you want to know where I get my info for working on my vehicles, it is simple. It's e-manuals online with detailed photos of what you're working on with step-by-step directions as well. It's easy to get the repair completed correctly. I'm also happy to announce that you can save 22% off site-wide if you use my coupon code HoneyBadger22. That's right, I've teamed up with them to help save you a little money, and if you use my affiliate link, which is in the description, you'll be helping support this channel and future projects here. Now, back to the video. The socket to remove these is an 8mm. A couple of zip ties help hold these lines to the unit, so we'll need to snip these to get this off, and then we'll release this tube here, and that should pull it off, and that's part of our vacuum as well. And if you're dealing with oil, obviously always good to glove up. All right, time to install the new one. We'll just reconnect it. Zip these bad boys back down. Transfer back your oil cap. Snip your little tails. Button it up. And there we go, we got no more hanging revs. We can even tap the accelerator. It doesn't continue to climb, it comes right back down to where it should be. So it appears our vacuum issue has been solved. We also have no squeal, so we should be good to go. And there we go, we're all buttoned up on this S60 2-liter engine. Everything you need to know, I'll leave it down below in the description, so make sure you check it out. Also make sure you leave a like on the video and you are subscribed so you don't miss future content. Other than that, I'll see all of you guys in the next one.